eggs are included in this. The dairy section is refrigerated. There are refrigerated items in this section. Let's take a look at this pronunciation. Refrigerated. Refrigerated. That final T is going to sound like a D in American English because it's surrounded by vowels. This is very common for American English. I'm going to say the word again, and I want you to try to say it with me. Refrigerated. Refrigerated. I'm in the refrigerated section getting some refrigerated items. I hope that this helps. I know this word is tricky, but you can do it. All right, let's go get yogurt. Where's the yogurt? That way.
That way.
That's right, it's that way.
That way.
Do you think we need to buy any eggs?
Yeah.
We actually don't need to. We don't need to buy any eggs because our chickens make so many eggs. We are looking for plain whole milk yogurt. Vanilla. Vanilla, vanilla. I don't want vanilla yogurt. Plain whole milk yogurt, but this is so expensive. Do we need yogurt that bad, Freddie? Okay. We need yogurt that bad? Okay.
No, I don't.
Okay. Now it's time for a little splurge. A splurge is something you don't need. Maybe it's a little too expensive, but you really want it. I'm gonna get some sparkling water with a little bit of fruit juice in it. It's so tasty. Let's talk a little bit about alcohol. In the state where I live, North Carolina, you can buy wine and beer in the grocery store. This is a very simple thing to do, but if you want to buy hard liquor, so this is considered like rum or vodka, you need to go to a special store called a liquor store. Here in the South where I live, we call these an ABC store, but you need to go to this specialized store if you want to buy something else, not just wine and beer. But for now, I'm not going to get any of it. I need to get some more gardening gloves. Believe it or not. Yeah, mine have holes in all the fingers. The point of gardening gloves is to keep your hands safe, but if they have holes in all the fingers, and this will save me a trip to Lowe's. Before we check out, there's one key word that I haven't talked about yet, and we need to talk about it. Can you guess what it is? It's the word grocery. Grocery store. That's where I'm at, and I'm buying groceries. There's two different pronunciations for this, and it's just a regional difference or a personal preference. You can say grocery with an S sound in the middle. Grocery, grocery. But for me, I say grocery with a sh sound in the middle. Grocery store, grocery store. Both of these options are correct, and it just depends on what you feel the most comfortable saying. So you could say, I'm at the grocery store, or I'm at the grocery store. I'm buying groceries, or I'm buying groceries. Both of these are beautiful, very natural, and it's the most common expression that you're going to hear in the US when we talk about a store where you buy food. It's the grocery store. Now it's time to check out. We can use this word as a noun or a verb. Let's check out, or let's go to the checkout. You can also say the checkout counter. Let's go to the checkout counter. I need to buy the things that I put in my cart. Let's check out. It's time to check out. At the checkout counter, watch out because there are a lot of snacks and junk food waiting for you. The grocery store wants you to splurge and buy these things. For me, I try to avoid them. It's always unhealthy, not really a good choice, but this is here to make a last-minute purchase. I want to know, in your country, are there a lot of snacks and junk food options waiting at the checkout? I think this is kind of common around the world, but let me know in the comments if this happens in your country. Now I'm asking the kind checkout lady if I have her permission to film while I'm checking out. I wanted to give you this experience to see the final step at the grocery store. Well, I forgot all of my bags today, so I can I can help to check out too. Let's do paper. Now all of the items are going down the conveyor belt and the checkout lady is scanning them while I put them in my bag. I usually bring my own bags, but this day I was so focused on filming I totally forgot. So I chose to get paper bags. I can compost the paper bags in my garden, but you might choose to get a plastic bag because you can reuse them as a trash bag in your house. It's time to pay for all of these groceries. I'm scanning my membership card so that I can get a few discounts, and she asked me if I want to use cash or credit. Or she might say cash or card, and you can choose which one. Thank you. Thanks, you too. I appreciate your help. Yes.